Oh hi, didn't see you there. Alrighty guys, you see this water right here? This is actually acidic. You see when I put the stick in there, you see how the tip came off? That means it's acidic. Now, what I'm going to have to do here is jump this gap. Alright, Nature Man, here we go. See, the thing about being a nature man like me is you gotta do dangerous shit like this all the time. What?
Nature Man.
Alrighty guys.
Yeah.
You see here, this creek here, you might think it's water. But the thing is, it's actually quite deceiving because guess what? It ain't water. It's actually clear lava. You can always tell it's clear lava when you step over here and yeah. It freaking hurts. Good. Yeah. Alrighty. And then you're going across. Alrighty guys. I am out of NaTuRe. I am out. It's the end of the video. It's the end. No more Nature Man. Alrighty guys, welcome to the bonus episode. I know I said I was gonna be gone, but guess who's back? Alright.
Is that the bridge?
Think about this water. Best gosh darn water you ever take. Boy, is it dangerous. There's fish poop. There's dead bodies. Bears drink out of that. Bears tend to have corona. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Just like I didn't see this thick boy. Mine's thicker. Ladies and gentlemen, you see right here, we got stick. Mine's bigger, but this will do. If you ever find yourself
lost in the fucking woods,
you just find yourself a Pringle tree, and that's the cure for the poison. Oh, it's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? 3 dudes in the canoe. 3 dudes in the canoe. 3 dudes in a canoe.
I heard you were like Native American or something. What's your secret ritual?
3 dudes in a canoe. 3 dudes in a canoe.
3 dudes in a canoe.
3 dudes in a canoe. Okay, nature man can do whatever he freaking wants, okay? I come out here in nature where it's dangerous, and the bears run away from me.
The bears run away from nature man. So what does nature man do if there's a mountain lion?
And it runs.
Exactly that.
N-word.